harder to see on these darker days in the sunglasses.
Yeah, it's...
I want to get a pair of like what you guys have, where they're lighter.
Yeah, the ice.
Yeah.
It sucks now. It's raining harder. We just go back here and sit. Because everybody went that direction. We need to hurry up and go, or start, because bios is not good in the rain.
This rain makes me feel like I have to.
Can you say it again?
Huh?
I don't know. Hope not. That's why we're out here.
He's going to take the van.
Probably gonna go sit in the van. I would. It's right there coming our direction.
Oh gosh, he comes down.
No. He's coming our way.
Yeah, he's game mode.
Somebody over here running. They're all like storming the hill. All right, let's go. I didn't mean to shoot Chris in the thigh. Nate's up in the fort. See the red jacket? I know. You know what really...
Oh, they're out.
You know, they're out?
The redhead team is out already.
The redhead team?
Matthew's hunkered down, dude. He's pulling me over there.
This sucks. It's about time to pack up. Alright, so we got...
I don't think I can shoot that far.
No. Nate and Dawson's out, so we got Chris and Elise.
Aiming for something. He's got his gun pointed at something.
Who does? I don't know what he's doing. You know, we could do a circle back around on him. But the sucky thing is he's got a red light, I've got a red light. I'm surprised Chris didn't pick you. Or you picked Chris.
And that's on film.
So you can't even hear people shooting.
Is that somebody right there? It's like darker than the rest of the thing. Oh no, there's a Dakota in the chicken.
No. I know where he's at. Dakota's right here on the edge. I just hit him. I know I did. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Back here. Down. Really raining now. Chris is in the fort. I don't know where Dakota's at. Dakota's right there.
That's Matthew.
That's Matthew. But Dakota's up here.
Is he trying to be a good spot at it? Or is he actually trying to hit it?
I don't know.
We don't have a gun anymore. Where's Dakota at?
I think he's hit. He has to be hit. Alright, stay right there. Dakota's right here running. Either that or she's out. You know where she's at? Oh, crap.
No.
I'm about out of BB. I think I shot her. I just don't know where Chris and them are at.
I think we're working our way up. If they came across the code on them, they'd be out there.
Yeah, I know she's out. 'Cause I shot her. Because her gun's in the air. I know. Stay on this side of the board. Sounds like your battery's going dead. Nicole, come on up here with me. You can't move, you're dead. That's why I'm trying to lure your boyfriend out. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Dead. Or I'd shoot you back. But I'm dead. I'm dead. Nicole, keep watching. Ready? Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. Come behind me. Come behind me. Tag me. She tagged me. Go back behind Nicole. Yeah, that's what Matt said. You can tag people and get them back in. No, not like last time. Just keep watching that way, Nicole. Watch her. Watch her. Stay on him. I know. I know. That's okay. I think he left these weapons laying over here. out of ammo.
Tag me, seriously. I thought he was out of ammo. How did he get out of gun? He has like stupid. I saw the hair. Who's that? I'm in crossfire. You just want to like roll down the hill a little bit.
I didn't see him carry any weapons, so.
No, he took off running like this. Like.
So I don't know, what other weapon does he have?
He had another gun. I don't know.
A pistol?
No.
He didn't have anything in his hands when he took off. He's way out there.
He's gonna have to come out here to get her at some point. Not that far. Tag me on your team, I can shoot him for you. I wouldn't mind that.
Hey Dakota, she said we can tag her on our team and she wants to shoot you. You hear me? He's got his M16 gas.
The one that blows all the gas.
Yeah.
Is that a good thing or bad?
It's a bad thing. He'll be out of ammo pretty soon. Sad thing is, probably won't. I will be too. But I got bio BBs and they're crap in the rain.
Like how everyone else is like, oh, yeah. Like how everybody else is like, it's not even 2 minutes out there.
Stay right here.
Don't steal it, though.
Oh, I'm not. Bio BBs in the rain suck.
Yeah. Are they out? Are you still playing?
She's out, but Dakota ran off that way.
Yeah, we saw him running with no gun. Oh, dude, don't come over here.
No, I'm walking around so I can get behind him. Yeah, he's going that way. He's running that way. Watch out. Hey, Nicole, fall back. Fall back. Yeah, it sucks when you're just like standing there, nothing to do.
I would shoot.
Hey, Matt, are we allowed to tag people back onto our team?
No.
Well, Dakota's running off like a little girl. Girlfriend behind him, come get
He
her.
left his girlfriend behind and he ain't coming back. Top of the hill, right by the fort. top of the hill to the right-hand side of the fort. Where? Huh?
Towards the crow's nest.
You see him? It sucks because they're over there shooting and I can't hear him walk. What do you think, Matt? Let her go join you guys in the tent? Go join the guys in the tent. Your boyfriend's hiding. Then shoot at him. Go up there and shoot him. I don't see him.
I see him. He's on the edge of the fort, like inside.
You out of ammo too? I have no rattle in my mag. I have no ammo. That was like the last 2 or 3 rounds that I had that I shot.